You looking to clean your beautiful Oriental rug the right way? Look at this video. You want your Oriental rug come back to you with a perfect shape. You don't want to have any fuzziness, color run. You want your Oriental rug to return to you in a perfect condition without the dirt and the urine odor. Let me show you a cleaning process that I invented specifically for one purpose: protect your Oriental rug from all those machines, scrubber, centrifuge machine, dustbuster. Those machines designed to clean a floor mat in front of Home Depot. They designed for it, not a Persian beautiful rug that needs a handmade and vegetable dye. Your Oriental rug laid flat on a vacuum floor. The odor-free blended minerals organic natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the rug on the top, and the suction from under the rug pull everything through the rug. Take with him all the pee-pee crystal, the dirt, the cleaning product that you use, all the deodorized Febreze, Estee Lauder, Chanel 5, everything will go through the rug. Clean the fiber from deep inside the fiber, a place that nobody can reach it. This is how I clean your Oriental rug. I provide 1000% guarantee, no trace of any odor. No deodorized, no enzyme, nothing. The Dead Sea Minerals, my cleaner that I invented, is odor-free completely. So upon delivery, when you receive the rug, you're welcome to put your nose whatever you want on the rug. Guarantee no trace of any odor. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. PetPeePee, nationwide service for cleaning a fine Oriental rug the right way. Please visit Google and see the review on Google PetPeePee or on AngelList PetPeePee reviews, and see that what I said, it's true.